students, welcome to my channel Bala's English Today. In today's class, we are going to learn about kinds of sentences. You all know that there are 4 kinds of sentences, and this knowledge is important when you take up the topic direct and indirect speech. Okay. Now, what are the 4 kinds of sentences? First one is assertive sentence, second one is imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. So, there are 4 kinds of sentences. We will learn about each one now. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means it's just a statement. Okay, it's a plain statement. It talks about the facts. A sentence that makes a statement is called assertive sentence. In assertive sentence, you have 2 types. One is affirmative, next one is negative. Affirmative is nothing but a positive sentence where you don't have not, don't, such things. The negative formation will not take place in the affirmative sentence. When it comes to the negative statement, it is called as a negative sentence. That's a part of assertive sentence. Now just look here. Affirmative example is the sun rises in the east. Now negative sentence. She doesn't work hard because you have this not. Whenever you get not, does not, did not, have not, could not, cannot, all that states negative sentence. Okay. Now next we'll go to the next sentence, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence expresses order, request, advice. Order, that means command. Okay, request, please. You are requesting a person, then advice. Do this, do that, don't go there. All such things are advice. So that's called imperative sentence. It expresses order, request or advice. Example for order, get out of my sight. It's an order. Get out of my sight. Okay, don't come, get out. Next one, request. Please help me to pay the fees. Please help me to pay the fees. So you are requesting someone to asking for their help. Okay. Please help me to pay the fees. And the advice is never waste your time. That's my advice. Never waste your time. Okay, time is precious. Okay. The third type of the sentence or third kind of a sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is nothing but it's a question. Okay. Now it asks a question. Where is he? How old are you? How is your health? Where are you going? How is your mother? Okay. Which is your native place? All such things. All questions come under the category of interrogative sentence. Where is he? Examples. Where is he? How is your health? And this is called interrogative sentence. The 4th kind of sentence or 4th type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. It expresses a strong feeling, strong emotion, okay? A surprise, sudden outburst of emotion is called exclamatory sentence. In these sentences, they end with an exclamatory mark. This is the exclamatory mark. So, example, what a great surprise. What an idea. How hot the day is. Alas, he is dead. What a beautiful place Taj Mahal is. So these are the examples of exclamatory sentences. So you have 4 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. And then when you go to the topic of direct and indirect speech, all these 4 varieties of the sentences or the kinds of sentences are dealt with. So each one has got a different way of changing from direct to indirect sentence or speech. Okay, hope you understood the lesson. So if you like this class, please click the like button, share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. All the best, students. Thank you.